Hey, glad you're here. Take a breath for a second and imagine walking into your living room knowing that tonight's sound will finally match the way you feel about your movies and music. That's exactly what happens when you live with the Skywave X70. This is for the person who stopped settling for flat sound that comes out of the TV, the kind of person who can't unhear depth once they've experienced it. You recognize quality. You know when something feels right, even if you didn't know how to describe it before. Before we go any further, take a quick peek at the current price and stock. Systems like this don't hang around predictably. You remember that moment it finally clicked. You were watching a big action movie and thought, why am I not feeling any of this? Your old bar did the job, sure, it got sound out of the screen, but it never moved you. Dialogue was okay, bass was polite, and Atmos felt like a buzzword nobody turned on. You knew you'd outgrown that comfort zone, but you kept avoiding the leap. Then you bring the Skywave X70 home. And the first time it fired up with Dolby Atmos, everything changed. The room doesn't just fill with sound, it opens up. Vertical audio lifts overhead in a way that feels like someone rearranged the air around you. You're not adjusting anymore. You're in it. Whether you're watching a thunderous sci-fi epic or the quiet opening lines of a song you love, this system doesn't just play sound, it stages it. You feel subtlety in calm passages, and real force in the big moments. There's an emotional weight to every scene, an honesty in the lows that hits you in your chest, and a clarity in the highs that sounds effortless. That's the moment you realize, this isn't just about louder. It's about present. If you're thinking, is it worth jumping now? Don't stall. Prices shift, stock changes, and then you're left wondering why you waited. Trust that instinct that brought you here. You might doubt at first, isn't this more speaker than I need? Or do I really need true 7.1.4? But that worry evaporates the first time overhead effects hit you from above and behind. Quiet scenes become layered. Explosions don't just boom, they surround. Music isn't background anymore, it lives around you. And the 10-inch sub? It doesn't just add bass, it gives you that weight you felt at theaters, right in your own space. One surprise you don't expect until you experience it is how focused the sound stays. Even at lower volumes, everything feels detailed. You don't lose richness. You don't lose presence. You just gain dimension. Owning something like this changes you. You stop skimming options. You stop looking for good enough. You actually enjoy turning it on because you know what it can do. You get sound that fills the room without listening fatigue. You get real Atmos height and width. You get bass that resonates without distortion. You get dialogue so clear you don't chase subtitles. You get a system that makes every night feel intentional. It's a bit of a leap from basic bars, and it deserves space to breathe, but that's what marks the difference between okay and memorable. At some point you just choose the thing you already kept coming back to in your mind, not because it was flashy, but because it felt right. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and regret later. Check the link, see the current offer, and let yourself enjoy sound the way you always wished you could. Once you live with it, you'll wonder how you ever listened any other way.